So today we are going to talk about some topic that is locus and equation equation. We should know about the locus, what does it mean and what is equation. From starting first this chapter or this topic, I have like to deal with some previous topic that is I have forgotten to discuss in the previous topic, that is centroid. It is from centroid, from section formula. Centroid. Actually centroid means, what does it mean? Centroid is a intersecting point of median of the sides of the triangle A, B. Sorry, at first. This is the median of it. For example, this is a triangle ABC, and this is the midpoint. Therefore, this is the median of AC, median of BC, and median of AB. The point where all the medians of a triangle or a side of a triangle meets is known as centroid, and let it be x and y. What is the formula, or what is formula for calculating the centroid? That is, if it is x1 y1, it is x2 y2, it is x3 y3. Now we will discuss how to calculate centroid. Centroid gxy is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, and for y, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the formula to calculate centroid of a triangle. In the question, we are generally given the vertices of the triangles, and we have to find the centroid, or even we can given the 2 points, that is 2 vertices of triangle and a centroid, and we may have asked to find out the third vertices. So we look for at first one question directly related to centroid, and another question in which we will calculate the third vertices with the help of 2 vertices of triangle and a centroid. At first we discuss a question, and we have a question. So we have question. Given question is, find the centroid of triangle having vertices 2, 3, -3, 4 and 6, 5. And we are going to these three are the vertices of a triangle. Vertices of a triangle. 3 vertices of the triangle. So at first we write the given. Okay, let P 2, 3, Q -3, 4 and R 6, 5 be the vertices. Let P, Q, R be the vertices. Then G, X, Y be the centroid of a triangle. So now we calculate. Let P x1 y1 is equals to P 2, 3, P Q x2 y2 is equals to Q -3, 4 and R x3 y3 equals to R 6, 5. Let at first the point vertices be x1 y1 x2 y2 and G xy is equals to what is the centroid. Now we have to calculate the centroid. So now we know that G centroid xy is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, or y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. So now x1, y1, x1, x2, x3 is 2 plus minus 3 plus 6 by 3. y1, y2, y3 is equals to 3 plus 4 plus 5 by 3. Then 2 minus 3, 2, 6, 8, 8 minus 3, 5, 6 plus 2, 8 minus 3, 5 by 3, and 5 for 9, 9, 3, 11, 11 by 2. This is the centroid of the given triangle. We simply find out in this way. This is so we have further discussed about how to find the centroid of the triangle. Now we'll discuss, if centroid of a triangle and two vertices of a triangle is given, then how can you find the third vertex of the triangle? And the question is the same question. The question is, the centroid of a triangle is 1, 3. If 1, 3 and its two vertices are 2, 3 and minus 3, 4. Find the third vertex. Here we have given with the centroid, and we have to find out the next or the third vertex of the triangle. So at first we look at the figure, the given. Let P is equals to 2, 3, Q is equals to minus 3, 4, and R is equals to let X, Y, which is not given and which we have to find. And we have given with the centroid of a triangle. Centroid of a triangle. Let G, and the centroid is 1, 3. Let it be X dash and Y dash. We have given the centroid of a triangle and two vertices of a triangle. Now we have to find the next is third vertex of a triangle. So look, how can we find it? Given, let P x1 y1 equals to P 2, 3, Q x2 y2 is equals to minus 3, 4, R x dash y dash is equals to what, and G x y is equals to G 1, 3. We have given the centroid and two vertex, so we know that we use the same formula of centroid. We know that G is equals to x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Here x3 is actually x dash and y dash. Okay. Then by 3, and y1 plus y2 plus y dash. This 3, 1, 2, 3 by 3, or this is x, y. G x y is equals to, now, or G 1, 3 is equals to x1 x2 x1 2 x2 minus 3, and x dash is x dash. Okay, we have to find the x dash, so we have no value of x dash. Now y1 is 3, y2 is 4, and y3 is, we don't know. Sorry, or y3 or y dash, we have to find it. Okay, or G 1, 3, 2 minus 3 x bar by 3, 7 plus y bar by 3, or G 1, 3 is equals to minus 1, 2 minus 3 plus x bar by 3, 7 plus y bar by 3. So now what we will do is just equalize the corresponding value. This is x and this is y, and this belongs to this whole value belongs to x. So equalizing or equating, anything we can use, equating corresponding value of x and y. X is equals to minus 1 x bar by 3, or 3x is equals to, sorry, x is equals to, we have 1 is equals to this much. Therefore 3 into 1, 3 minus 1 plus x bar, or 3 plus 1 minus 1, when we change the side it will be plus 1, is equals to x bar, or x bar equals to 4. In the same way we have again y bar, that is y is equals to 3, and its value is 7 plus y bar by 3, or 9, 7 plus y bar, or 9 minus 7 equals to y bar. Therefore y bar equals to 2. Therefore the third vertex of a triangle is 4, 2, and this is the answer. So we have discussed about the question, and this question I will again make you understand about this question. It's so easy, not so even hard to. So what I have done, I will discuss once more. The centroid of a triangle is 1, 3. The centroid of a triangle is given 1, 3, and its two vertices are 2, 3 and minus 3, 4. Then find the third vertex. We have to find the third vertex. As we know, the centroid of the formula of centroid is this one, and we have just written the given things. That way this is given. Let p x1 y1 be this, p x2 y2 this, and let the third vertex be x bar and y bar, which is equals to what we have to find. G is equals to x and y, and that is the centroid 1, 3. And as we know, the formula of centroid is g x y, x1 x2 x bar by 3. As we use the formula of centroid, this one, and y1 y2 y bar. So as by using this formula we can find out the value in terms of x bar and y bar, equalizing or equating the corresponding value. Now we know that this both is the value of x and y, so we will equate these values and we can find the x bar and y bar. So the first value is 1, which is equals to minus 1 plus x bar by 3. Therefore when we change the side of 1, it will be minus 1, it will be plus 1. In this way x bar will come 4, and when you solve this equation we get y bar equals to 2, and in this way we can find the third vertex of a triangle. So now we will discuss about the main topics of this today main topic. We have just now today our topic is locus and equation. What is locus? In simple language, locus is a path. It's nothing at all. It's just a locus is a path. Locus is a path. Simply, locus is a path of moving point. There is any point which is moving. Just moving. Let's understand now at first. Locus is the path of moving point under fixed condition. Locus is simply a path of a moving point. What is that? What is the moving point? And under fixed condition. Any certain condition, certain fixed condition is there on the basis of which the path, a point is just moving. Just now look the example. For example, let is a point A and this is a point B. P xy, whose coordinate of P is xy, is a moving point. Is a moving point. This is the moving point, and the condition is that the distance between A and P, after some time this will reach here, 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 here. In the same way, it's reached in the same way and form a. It is the, and we have discussed about under a fixed condition, and the condition is simple. A condition is the distance between AP. The distance between AP is always same. Is distance of AP is always same. This is the condition. It is always same. It is not going to be changed when either P is here, either here or anywhere in the path. And this path, the path formed by this moving point is known as locus. This is locus. Simple, this is a locus. It is a definition of locus, and simply we understand about the locus. Okay, this is the locus. And the equation of this path, we are in this topic, in this chapter, we will just study about what is the locus and its equation, and the question related to this equation and the locus of the point or locus. Okay, this is our point. So this is the locus. Locus is simply a path of a moving point where P is the moving point, which after some time reach here, after some time will be here or anywhere else. Then just simply it is a path and the equation, and we will find the equation. That is the equation. That is our topic. That's our topic today. Okay. So just we have understand what is locus and what is the fixed condition, what is moving point, and now we will just discuss about how to solve the problem. Okay, this is simple locus. This is simple introduction, and now we will solve the problem of locus related to locus. So let's take one example. Question. So we have question related to locus is find the equation of locus of a point which moves so that its abscissa is always 3. This is a question related to find out the equation. Now we will discuss the solution. We have to find the equation of locus. So simple, locus is a path. We know that, and we have to find the equation of that path. At first, after going towards solution, at first we have to know about what is ordinate and abscissa. If you have watched my further previous videos, then you have find that what is ordinate or abscissa. So let it be. If you have not watched, then also just look what is ordinate and what is abscissa. As very foremost, we have discussed about it. The coordinate, in coordinate, this ordered pair is known as, actually it is a coordinate of any point. Coordinate of a point. It is a coordinate of point. Okay, and this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate. This is simply a x coordinate and this is simply a y coordinate. And instead of saying x coordinate, we use the term that is abscissa. It is also known as abscissa, and this is also known as ordinate. Simply abscissa and ordinate. It means another name of x coordinate is abscissa and another name of y coordinate is ordinate. Simply this is a name. And to remember what is abscissa and what is ordinate, we can think and have idea that A comes foremost. So x comes foremost. That's why x coordinate is known as abscissa, and the remaining the remaining is y, and y is known as ordinate. So in this way we can recognize which is ordinate and which is abscissa. So this was abscissa and ordinate. This was the idea about abscissa and ordinate. Now we will know about now we will go through the solution. Okay, find the equation of locus of a point. Let the point this point is actually a moving point, so let the moving point be p x y. This is our required point or moving point. So what is given, that is, let's take x-axis and y-axis. We can take the x-axis, that is, and this is y-axis. We have given the condition abscissa is always 3. It means abscissa is x coordinate, let it be at here. This distance is always 3, and this is the locus. If this is 3, then this always remains same. This equals to this equals to this. It means and this is our required locus. This is a path where in this point, let be p x y lies. Here, here, or here, anywhere p will lies x y. So this p may be at any point, and its location is p x, that is abscissa. X coordinate, that is abscissa, remains always 3. It means this is always 3. This is always 3. It means the distance between axis or x coordinate and the locus or a path is always 3. That is the given condition. So we have x is equals to 3. That's according to question. We have x equals to 3. Therefore, x minus 3 is equals to 0 is required equation or locus. Required equation of locus. This is the equation of locus. Okay, this is our equation of locus. Simply you can find out this very simple question. So okay, thereafter we will do next question. We will discuss next question related to the locus and the. So our next question is, find the equation of locus of a point which moves so that distance from the point 1, 2 is always 7. We have to find the equation of locus or equation of path, and the given point P, that is the moving point P, is always the distance between the moving point P or the path and a fixed point, that is any fixed point, that is 1:2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and this is the condition, and the condition is let the given point be R, which is 1, 2, and the distance and the moving point be P, that is x, y, and the condition is that the distance between these remains always 7. This is always 7, and this is the condition, and we have to find the equation of the locus or the point, that is the equation of the path. We have to find the equation of the path. So let's deal with the solution. Given is fixed point r x r 1, 2, it's given fixed point. Okay, distance between P and R is 7, and distance between these two things are given. Now we will, according to question, as per the question say, the distance between this is 7, so we use the distance formula, that is PR is equals to root under distance of PR. Distance of PR equals to root under x2 minus x1 is whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Let this point be x1 y1, this point will be x2 y2. Okay, then we deal with x1 y1 and x2 y2. X2 is equals to, we have x same as x, and the distance of PR we have 7, or x2 is equals to x, x1 equals to 1, that is minus 1 whole square. Y2 we have y, and y1 we have 2, that's why it will be this one, and the root under squaring on both sides, squaring on both sides, we get 7 square equals to 49, and root and square, root over square is not, this square will cut off the root. That's why we have x minus 1 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square. And when we solve this, we will get the equation that is the required equation of a locus. Okay. And that is the equation of a path. So now see with the solution of the given equation. X minus 1 whole square, x square minus 2ab plus b square plus y square minus 2ab plus b square, that is 2 square. Or 49 is equals to x square minus 2x plus 1 plus y square minus 4y plus 4. Or we have 49 plus 1 plus 4, x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y, and plus 1 plus 4 is plus 5. Or we can write x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4x plus 5 minus 49. We just bring this side and it will be 0, and here x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4x, 49 minus 5 minus 49 plus 5, it means minus 44. That is our required. Therefore x square plus y square minus 2x minus 4x minus 44 is equals to 0 is required equation of locus. This is our required equation. We will have this equation, and this is the solution for this. So I hope you can do the problem related locus easily if you will understand these 2-3 things. Just we have to know what is the condition, and just we have to let the moving point. Just let the moving point, and we should know the condition of the given question. And that's why after that we can understand that one, and then after we can solve in this way. And I hope you have guessed something from this video lecture. If you like this video lecture, please hit the like button, and if you like if you want to get such videos and sort a tutorial, then please subscribe my channel. And if you think it is helpful and it can help others, then please do share of my video. Thank you from my side.